episode 1 of How to Get Famous Without Spending a Dime, I found a free book at the library titled How to Be Famous. Sadly, the book ended up being fiction. So I turned to AI for guidance. That's right, artificial intelligence, chatgpt to be exact. We took a free personality quiz to reveal our true passions. It was decided that if we follow our passions and share them with the world, fame should follow naturally. However, as I prepared to launch episode 1, I was alarmed when my free Bible app warned against seeking titles and recognition, stating that those who exalt themselves will be humbled. That's a little frightening. Let's look at Justin Bieber as an example. When he rose to fame, he faced public scrutiny after a DUI, assault charges, and vandalism. Since then, he's turned to faith and spirituality, crediting his relationship with God for helping him overcome personal challenges. Instead of striving for fame, we should instead follow our passions. Today's task: write down your big vision. Make it a goal that's impossible without the help of God. Keep it in a prominent place and view it daily. If you still don't know your passion or vision, Google this: what careers are best for, and then type in your 4-letter personality type. Press enter. Now pick the career that excites you the most. Stay tuned for episode 3 as our journey continues.